Good morning everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. My name is G. Anand. I am studying 7th class. My role is Mahatma Gandhi. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Happy Independence Day. Eh, my name is Abdul Malik. I am studying 7th class. My role is Bhagat Singh. Good morning everyone. Happy Independence to all. Myself P. Sriram Reddy. My studying in 7th class. My role is Bhagat Singh. Subhash Chandra Bose. Good morning everyone. My name is Happy Independence to all. My name is Shanwaz. I am studying 7th class. My role is Jawaharlal Nehru.
Today we are here to celebrate the spirit of Independence Day. Let us take you on a journey through time to witness the bravery, sacrifice and determination of our freedom fighters who fought for Indian independence. Now let I invite a great freedom fighter is Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was a symbol of courage and patriotism. Her resistance against the British inspired many to join the struggle for freedom.
I am Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. I will not surrender my kingdom to the British. I will fight till my last breath to protect my people and land. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now let I have one more great freedom fighter is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, known as the father of our nation, led the freedom movement with his principles of non-violence and civil disobedience.
I believe in non-violence and truth. We will achieve independence through. We will peaceful means by uniting and protesting against British rule. Jai Hind.
Now let I invite one more great freedom fighter is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh and his fellow revolutionaries showed immense bravery and dedication. Their sacrifice remains a source of inspiration for all us.
We are ready to sacrifice our lives for the freedom of our motherland. The British must leave India. Jai Hind.
Let I invite one more great freedom fighter is Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose called for armed resistance, inspired many young Indians to join the fight for freedom.
Give me red and I will give you freedom. We must fight with all our might to free India from British rule. Jai Hind.
Now let us have one more great freedom fighter is none other than Jawaharlal Nehru.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to light and freedom. This is a momentous occasion in our history. Jai Hind!
On August 15, 1947, India finally gained the independence. Today we are remember and honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and celebrating the joy of being a free nation. Let us always cherish our freedom and work together to build a better and stronger India. Thank you. Once again we wish you happy Independence Day.
ఇంత చక్కగా మేము చెప్పగానే మా పిల్లలు ఎలాంటి పిల్లలు అంటే అద్భుతం అమోఘం, వాళ్ళ గురించి చెప్పలేము. మేము ఇలా ఒకటి అందిస్తే అతుక్కొని పోతారు. నేను జస్ట్ ఇలా ఉంది నాన్న అని ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఇలా ఇంతే అని వాళ్ళకి నేనేం చెప్పలేదు కూడా వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో ప్రజెంట్ చేశాను. వాళ్ళే డైలాగ్స్ అని చక్కగా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి వచ్చి మీ అందరి ముందు వాళ్ళే డ్రెస్అప్ అయినరు. మా పిల్లలకి మేము ఇది వేసుకుంటే మీరు బాగుంటారని చెప్పడం వరకే వాళ్ళే ఇంటి దగ్గర చక్కగా తయారై వచ్చి మీ అందరి ముందు ఈ ప్రదర్శన ఇవ్వగలిగింది. అంతటి గొప్ప నైపుణ్యం ఉన్న మా పూడూరు గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్ విద్యార్థులందరికీ క్లాప్స్.